Welcome to the Yummy Vibes. Today we are making a delicious double egg cheeseburger packed with layers of flavor and pure indulgence. We start by taking a fresh red bell pepper and slicing it horizontally to create beautiful pepper rings. After getting two perfect rings, we clean out the inner white parts of the bell pepper. Next, we take an onion and slice it horizontally as well, pulling out 5 to 6 onion rings for a crunchy bite. Fresh coriander, green chili and lettuce are prepared. Chopping the coriander and green chili finely into small tiny pieces, the lettuce is kept ready for the layering later. Now we crack one egg into one bowl and another egg into separate bowl, keeping them ready for assembling. Next, take a burger bun and slice it into 3 layers instead of 2. Yes, a little different but perfect for extra layers of goodness. On a hot tawa, we melt some butter and place the capsicum rings onto it. Carefully, we pour one egg into each ring and let it settle. Look how beautifully the egg sits inside the capsicum ring, locking in all the flavor. Inside each ring, we also add onion rings, a sprinkle of red chili powder, a pinch of salt, and some finely chopped green chilies, and top it with some fresh coriander. A little ghee is drizzled around for extra flavor, and we gently flip them to cook perfectly from both sides. Cooking from both sides makes the egg firm and brings out a delicious roasted aroma. Meanwhile, we generously apply butter on all the 3 bun slices and toast them till golden and crispy from both the sides. Once done, we spread some mayonnaise or tandoori mayonnaise on the base bun, layer it with cheese, place one egg-filled capsicum ring on the top, add the lettuce, then place the middle bun slice. On that again we add the second egg omelette, more lettuce, another slice of cheese, and finally close it with the top part of the bun. Now it's time to admire our creation. Look at that, the thick layers of juicy eggs, crunchy onions, fresh greens and melty cheese. Finally, we cut it into half to reveal the beautiful colorful layers inside. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Yummy Vibes for more delicious recipes. See you next time.